Sashimi is a dish that is only as good as the fish it's made from. And in Japan, that means fresh, high-quality fish from the countless legendary fish markets. At markets like this one, fishermen and vendors work together to ensure that only the best fish make it to the hands of chefs and home cooks alike. The atmosphere is frenetic, with buyers and sellers haggling over prices and sizing up the day's catch. But for those in the know, there's an art to selecting the perfect fish for sashimi. It needs to be fresh, of course, but also well marbled and with a rich, buttery texture. Chefs who specialize in sashimi take their fish selection seriously. Using their expertise and experience to choose only the very best. And with good reason. When prepared correctly, sashimi is a true delicacy, a celebration of the ocean's bounty and the skill of the people who bring it to our plates. Whether you're in Japan or halfway around the world, the key to great sashimi is always the same. Start with the freshest, highest quality fish you can find. The light, crisp flavor of beer can help to balance out the richness of the raw fish, creating a refreshing and enjoyable dining experience.